Yo, 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 yo! Dan Soy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Hopefully, everyone's doing good. I know this virus is spreading across the USA. It has spread across the world. Everyone is in fear, panic. We're all worried about our kids, our elderly population. We just have to hang in there and make the best of this. This is a really quick meal to show you how to save food and cook meals with only like 3 or 4 ingredients. So for today, this is really basically only a 4 ingredient thing like the last one. We got cheese, garlic bread. You could always get garlic bread from your store, bakery. You can cook it up and freeze it. And we got basically steak and eggs. I also have chicken over here that was cooked in Meyer lemon. You can see the juice in there. So on one side, we'll do the egg and steak. Everyone likes eggs and steak. And then we'll put the cheese on there. And just to show you something different, which is only 2 ingredients, chicken and the cheese, we'll put that on there. So let's get started by just putting some steak here. If you want, you could put whatever sauce, but I want to keep this simple to show you how to cook with only 4 or 5 ingredients. Alright, so there's really no way of doing this, like proper way. It's whatever you want. Like if you want the egg first, then the steak, or you want the steak, then the egg, that's up to you. But I cooked the eggs, scrambled eggs ahead of time. I cooked some steak, and I cooked the chicken like with Meyer lemon, like I told you. But let's start off by putting some steak on this one side, and we'll put the steak that we want. And that's the thing with this virus going around. The stores are still getting food, so when you can get in there, buy steak and chicken, freeze it. You could take it out when you need it, and try to always keep a dozen eggs in there, because if you get eggs that just came in, they usually last for a month. Alright, so we got the egg down there. The steak down there. Like I said, this is basically simple. So then just take some egg and put it on top of the steak, and it's all what you want. Like if you want it, you could take that in a bowl, and you could have mixed the steak and the egg, breaking it down. So let's do that, and then we'll be done with that one side. Then the other one, we'll just put the chicken, and it's all up to you. You could eat it like that, or put the cheese on there and melt it. Alright, so we got that steak and egg there. And like I said, you could do it other ways. Now we're going to take this lemon chicken, and we're going to put that down there. You see all this juice? That's from that Meyer lemon. So if you have a lemon or even a Meyer lemon, use it, but it's only optional. So just put the chicken that you want, and you can see that glisten. See that Meyer lemon in there? So we'll be back. Alright, so like I said, the theme of keeping it easy and quick, we got the chicken on there. Sorry the light is not as good. I'm filming this at almost 6 p.m. and we have a rainstorm out there. So the thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take that cheese like I showed you, and I'm just going to lightly sprinkle it on there. Now after this, you can melt it if you want, or just keep it like that. So put on as much cheese as you want. And the thing I'm going to do is I'm going to melt it in a toaster oven. So I will be back. But that's basically how you really make a quick thing on garlic bread. So we can save food. We can keep food in the house that'll last for a long time. And we don't have to skimp on taste. Alright, there you have it. 2 quick pieces of bread with different things. You got your egg and cheese. Look at that, egg and cheese. And that you got your Meyer lemon chicken with cheese. So this is, like I said, you could keep it simple. You could also do this with your kids to keep them occupied, keep everyone's mind off of everything. And like I said, while this is going on and we're going through this together, I'm going to probably try to bring recipes with only 4 or 5 ingredients. Most likely 4. I'm going to try to keep it simple. But you be safe through this virus. You and your family be safe. God bless. And we'll keep taking this journey together. like I said, and I'll bring you another update soon. Peace. Dan Soy. Love you.